Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today I am introducing the Teacher Hub AI. This is an ultimate destination for transforming the way you teach and learn. Whether you are looking for lesson plans, classroom management tips, or cutting-edge teaching strategies, this platform is packed with engaging content designed to ignite your passion for education. So let's elaborate. So first of all, you need to log in. If you have Microsoft account, you can start with Microsoft. But in case if you don't have Microsoft account, so you need to create an account. So I'm going to create an account. So once you complete your account, you will experience this interface. So on the left pane, you can see there are a lot of options available like neurodiversity and differentiation. You can see art and design, citizenship, computer science, English language, geography, history, mathematics, and everything. You just make sure that it should be web AI enabled. So let me select, let's say maths. I'm selecting maths and I'm writing it here. So I wrote create a lesson plan to teach quadratic equation for grade 10 students. Just search. So you can see here a lesson plan has been generated, which is 60-minute duration. You can also specify your duration, and you can see the lesson objective, material, lesson structure. There is an assessment for formative and summative, and there are additional resources and conclusion. So this lesson plan you can copy also, or you can just download in a Word file. It is excellent platform for neurodiversity and differentiation, so you can explore it more. Let's see the pricing. Really? Yeah, wow. It's 0.00% per month. So you can just register for no money, free forever for 500 questions per month for one user. Please try and use this platform. I tried this platform and found it amazing. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.